Alright, 2006 GMC Envoy. Trailblazer, it's all the same. And had my transmission out of this thing 2 times. Changed out the pump, valve body and everything. Still cannot get it to go to overdrive. Then yesterday, by the way, this transmission has never worked right since I've had the vehicle, and I've had it 3 years fighting the overdrive thing or component slipping. And what you know now, yesterday, well, it started working on its own. Figure that out. Slip speed basically 0. GCC engaged. Hard to believe, it just started working on its own. Maybe it had some debris lodged up in the valve body. I'm not sure. But I'll let off the gas a little bit and it'll start. So your slip speed is up pretty high. Now I'll speed up a little bit and there it goes back to overdrive. So overdrive's working now. I'm not sure what the problem was, but this is just a regular GMC tool. Paid like paid $120 for it 2 years ago. But yeah, the data don't lie. I can hear it now going into overdrive. And I do have the TCC delete, PWM delete rather. Slip speed counter 0. What you want to see. Now if I let off the gas pedal with my foot here a little bit, it'll change RPM. You can see eventually it'll go back up to overdrive. There it goes. Not quite time to get back into overdrive. Kind of going up a hill a little bit. There it is. Back to overdrive. So, slip speed. I can hear the engine too, which is kind of nice. All that. So really, all I got to worry about now is the catalytic converter. It's kind of messed up under there, and I think a gas cap. But going 60, I probably should speed up. These people are probably going to be going nuts. But I just want to do an update. Show you where I was with my transmission 4L60E. They're good transmissions if you know how to work on them and keep them maintained. But now I'm going downhill. So anyway, just want to make a little update. See how the old Envoy is holding up. So we're back in business. Looks like we finally got a transmission that actually works in this thing. So hopefully you won't have the same issues I had. But anyway, I'm really happy. Alright guys, till my next video. I'll see you later. And like I said, it just started working on its own. Probably had some debris somewhere stuck in the lines or something. You go around this curve, the sun's in my eyeballs. I can see. Woo! Anyway, where are we at right now? Yep, it's an overdrive, so you can see the slip speed is basically 0. Alright, so there's my update. Thanks for watching. Later! Just look at her on a snowy day. It says, drive me. It even looks good in the front with all the white on it, so yeah. Between this and the Trailblazer, kind of like this one here because of the fog lights, but it's just my opinion. Which one do you like best? Do you like the Trailblazer or the GMC Envoy? Let me know in the comments section.